Coach, Converge is your next game and obviously bigger size nila. So how do you like to play out?
Actually, sinasabi ko sa team na, telling the team na maybe we can survive Morocco without our bigs. But we will probably not survive Converge without our bigs. So we have 2 days to think about what we can do, and maybe we can get some of our team back by Wednesday. So mahirap talunin ang Converge kung wala kang team. So alam natin ang threat nila talaga is yung dalawang twin towers nila. So if you do not have any matchup for that, they'll just keep punishing you close to the basket or the doors. We don't know yet what we can do, but by tomorrow we should be able to formulate something. And also, maybe by tomorrow we will know if we can have additional